All right, I like the way that you guys wrestled with this discussion board. Weren't really sure which design to choose. Some of you. I just wanted to kind of go over a little bit the difference between descriptive correlational research and predictive correlational research. There's a difference. So predictive correlational research would be you're trying to determine the relationship between variables, but then you also want to know, you also want to be able to predict what the outcomes will be if these variables were to meet again. So, for example, if you're looking at the relationship between working alliance and client satisfaction, you can analyze the relationship using correlational analyses, and then in just a descriptive design, you would present the results of the relationship, the strength of the relationship, and the direction, whether it's positive or negative. Now, in a predictive correlational design, you would also go further to say that based on this analyses, we predict that whenever working alliance is rated at this level, then client satisfaction would also be rated at this level. You need quite a bit more data to do that than what you guys are going to be analyzing. So my guess is that you guys are not going to be doing predictive research. If you were doing correlational research, then it's going to be descriptive in nature. So hopefully that helps with that. The other one, the causal comparative, you won't be doing that because you're not using multiple groups. You don't have one group who's doing one thing and another group who's doing another, or you don't have two groups doing the same thing. So you're not going to be comparing groups and comparing means. In fact, I think all of you are doing correlations, so you won't be comparing means. That's a differences analyses where you'd run ANOVAs or something like that. So hopefully this makes sense to you. The last one I'll say is survey research. None of you are doing survey research either. Yes, you're going to be giving instruments that ask participants to self-report. However, in survey research, you're looking at attitudes, behaviors, or thoughts about a particular phenomenon. You don't have an independent variable. You're just looking at frequencies, percentages of thoughts, behaviors, and attitudes. I hope this helps get a better picture of the differences between some of these designs. The last thing I'll say is, obviously, we're not doing any experiments, quasi-experiments, or pre-experiments because we're not measuring an intervention. We're not looking at change across time based on a particular intervention. All right. Have a good one.